Today I'm going to be reviewing OPPKEPT car air fresheners or ornaments. Look at these right here. I'd like to thank OPPKEPT for sending these to me to review, which is really nice. They well thought out. I'm going to show you here. They don't come like this. They come in an air sealed pack, right? Real easy to open with little knots. So it comes out fresh. I've seen these before. If they're not sealed, you can lose the scent. So you know what? You get 8 of these, and this is what one of them looks like right there. Go ahead and take a look at them all. So hopefully that comes through in the picture. I'll put up a picture in the video too, so you can see it a little bit better. This is what they look like. Now they are just cardboard. If you could see how thick it is, it's nothing special. You could bend it by accident, but it has a good scent. I don't know. It's more like to me, like a men's cologne kind of. It's a fresh scent. I really like it. Here's another one here. Of course, you know who that is. Really cool. I showed these to my wife because she really likes horror movie stuff. Is everyone going to use these for Christmas ornaments? I don't know, but kind of a cool thing. You can use these in more than just your car. You can use them in a bathroom or anything like that. Like I said, there we go. They're just like knives. That's what they look like. And here's the final one right there. I mean, a pretty cool package. It's an Amazon choice. They do real well. It gets 4.3 stars. I like to see 4.4, but I don't know what you expect. It smells good. It's cardboard. Maybe people didn't like that, but overall really nice. Almost 300 plus reviews, and last month, October 2025, 700 plus of these were sold. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.